So now we're going to be discussing why beveling is, for the most part, a better workflow than a subdivision workflow. It's better to work with insets and bevels. The first real reason I think that is because it's much quicker. So I'm just going to start adding some geometry to this cylinder here, and we're going to be making a pot because pots are simple and I like pots. So what we're going to do to model effectively with the bevel modifier is we're just going to make the rough outline of what we need with an extrusion workflow, and then we can just go very quickly and select edges and hit Control B on the keyboard, and that's going to bevel for us, and that's going to allow us to make very simple but also very controlled curves, because we can actually change the profile of this bevel. So it gives us a lot more control than a subdivision surface modifier really would ever do, and it becomes very, very quick to work this way. Another reason why we might want to use the bevel modifier as opposed to subdivision is that if we have objects where we want to have very curvy things going into very straight things, it works out for us better, and I will show you an example here. So we have this, and if, for instance, we simply wanted this crude house shape to have a curved roof as opposed to a triangular one, all we have to do is bevel, and then just with adding a bevel modifier on top of that, we can very quickly make something that a subdivision surface might be the result of a subdivision surface modifier, but that takes a lot less time to construct and gives us a lot more control and really ease of workflow when doing it. This really is the right way to model. When you're looking at somebody and they use a subdivision surface modifier to create a shape like this, really they shouldn't be, because it's not needed. You should be using that for more organic shapes and not for shapes that really have hard surfaced elements. Thanks for watching.